John here at 1984 Barbecue. Tonight we're going to bring you something I've never done before. Porterhouse on the Weber Preformer using grill grates. Here we go. Our Porterhouse here, and it's about almost about 1.5 pounds. Got this from my local butcher, Hobber's Preferred Meat. I'll leave a link down below in the description box as well. So a porterhouse, guys, is a steak that comes from the cut of the rear of the cow, okay, short loin, and it has basically a tenderloin on it. A T-bone has part of the tenderloin, gets cut more from the front, but this steak is cut more from the rear, so it has more of the tenderloin area. All right. So just look at that, guys. Look at that right there, that beauty. I hope you guys can see that. Look at that big boy right there. That's nice. Good thick on it, guys. Look at that. Nice and thick. Got some nice marbling in it. Alright, cool. So, what we're going to do here, guys, let me get this glove off here. So, what we're going to do is I like to use a little bit of a Tang stir-fry oil. And what I do with that is, guys, is I use it as a binder for the rub that I use, or you know, salt, pepper, whatever you're going to do with it today. Today we're going to try out a new rub that I'm very curious to see. So I'm going to put a little bit of this Tang stir-fry oil on there as like a little binder for it. Just a little bit. That over. Wind's blowing with me, guys, so bear with me. A little bit of that on there. A bit of that. It's got a nice strip steak right here, and the tenderloin itself. Alright, got that rubbed down. So now I'm going to get, this is our rub we're going to be using today, Oak Ridge Barbecue's Santa Maria grill seasoning, guys. This stuff smells wonderful. I got it at my local barbecue shop, and I will leave a link down below in the description box for Oak Ridge Barbecue. You can go on their website and get you some. Alright, that's what it looks like inside there, guys. Hopefully you can kind of see that. It smells wonderful. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of give it a light coat on here, guys, with this seasoning. I'm hoping this is good on steaks. There's all sorts of meats, so I'm just going to kind of pat that in there a little bit. Smells wonderful. Give that a nice pat in there, like so. We're going to flip this around here. Do the other side, okay? Just like so. Brush some of this around. Again, guys, I'm sorry about the wind. A little bit more on here. So, alright, guys, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to let this sit for a little bit. Let that just kind of soak in. And I'll bring you back when we get ready to put her on. Already got our Weber up to temp. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to crack those vents a little bit more and pull that off there. Our grill grates are good and hot. We'll spray them with a little bit of duck fat. Use duck fat for that, keep it nice and from sticking. And we're going to go ahead and get our porterhouse on here, guys. Just look at that beautiful porterhouse. All right, y'all ready? I'm going to hold my hand down on it, guys. Now with the bone, it's going to be hard for it to get that nice thing, but I'm going to hold my hand on it, kind of press it down to the metal, get those beautiful marks, you guys, okay? Alright, we got that going. I'm going to close the lid up, you guys. We're going to let that rock and roll for 1:30 that way, and then we're going to turn it for another 1:30, and then we'll be right back. 30. Let's give us a quarter turn, you guys. That's the only thing about the Preformer that I don't like is I've got to I'm gonna use these. I would use my hand, but put that in there like so. Press down on it, get those marks. All right, gonna go for another minute 30. In that other minute 30, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna flip this Porterhouse on over. See what we did on our grill marks. Not too shabby, you guys, not too shabby. Got my hand gloved back up again. I'm gonna press down on this. Got a nice color to this Porterhouse, you guys. Hopefully y'all can see that. Got a nice color to the Porterhouse. We'll close the lid back on it. We're gonna do another minute 30 and then we're gonna check and turn. All right, our timer's going off. Gonna get ready to make another turn on this Porterhouse. We're gonna check temps as well. Come down here to the other hot spot on the grill. Give that a nice push down for the grill marks. The Santa Maria stuff's got a really nice smell. Let's take a look, quick temp, guys, if we can. About 107, 106, 127 on the fillet. All right, I'm gonna let this go for the 130, and then we're gonna pull this off probably. I may set it indirect, we'll see. I'll bring you back when we pull this bad boy off. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off here. It's the strip has reached 121 or so. I'm gonna let carry over, take it on up. Hopefully you guys can see that. Got some nice grill marks on it. I'm not even in the camera. There we go. It's nice grill marks on it. I'll go ahead and lay this bad boy on the tray. Let it do its thing. And we'll bring you back for a taste test. All right, you guys, we got it rested up. We'll take a little piece off of this. Let me get y'all back out of there. Got y'all too far in. There we go. Take a little piece off the fillet here. See that or not? Light's not good, but got it almost to a nice medium. All right, we'll take a little piece of that off, and then we'll come over here and take a little piece of the daggone flies. There's that. That's a nice, like, medium rare to medium. Take that piece off right there. All right, guys, let me bring you back here in just a second for a taste test. All right, guys, this was a quick cook. Like I said, we got the Porterhouse. First time I ever did a Porterhouse. We got it from Hobber's Preferred Meats up in Sellersburg, Indiana. I'll leave the links down below. This was a quick cook, guys, very quick. Let me go ahead and just kind of bring this up to you so you can kind of see. There it is, and there it is cut into. They got nice color there, nice medium rare to rare maybe. And then there's the fillet over here. Y'all can see that. All right. So I'm going to take a piece of this, the New York strip here. All right, take a bite. Guys, that is melt in your mouth. That Santa Maria is so good. And that's the strip, okay? Let's take a bite of the fillet, okay? Guys, this is outstanding. It's juicy, moist, tender. It's outstanding, guys. This was a great cut of meat. First time I've ever did one. Turned out awesome. That Santa Maria's got a nice peppery taste to it. Man, it tastes good. Guys, if you're new to the channel, think about hitting that subscribe button. Give me a big thumbs up. Share this video. Hit that bell notification. Let you know if I release new videos. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. You guys, I always appreciate everybody's support. Really appreciate it. Anyways, guys, thank you. We'll see you on the next one.